Well, hello there, traders right around the world. Thank you for joining me in this special update. What I'd like to do in this, as I just said, special update is just adjust two trades which we had set up in our Pivot Point Pro class over the weekend, or 2 weeks ago now, which our students have obviously set up in their own trading accounts and have capitalized on in the way of profits by participating in this online analysis workshop. Those two trades last week were Apple. That was the first trade, and the second trade was Netflix. So I'll just recap those two trades and talk about what the students actually did. We came into the trading week, we analyzed Apple. We had a very bidirectional trade set up, one at $601.90, a second at $576.90. The analysis in and of itself is something that I'm going to keep for Pivot Point Pro, but as you can see, we have our target here at $610. We did hit that almost on Thursday, and then we blew straight through it on Friday. So that was something, or a trade anyway, where we put almost $10 of intrinsic value into some very safe call option contracts. So that was a very nice trade on Apple. That was a bullish directional trade. Very nice trade. We also, a second trade was in Netflix. Now Netflix, we had a trade set up at $385, and the students who are in this trade are almost at their target at $406 a share. So as you can see, this one is a little bit more spectacular. We've already made $17 in the way of call option intrinsic value into those call options, which is fantastic. And we're about $4 away from our first target. We've got a second target up here at $425, and then a third target up here at $453 a share. So as you can see, these two individual trades from last week are some that our students participated in, and there are more poised for this week and of course the following week. The next week, I should say 2 weeks ahead, looks to be setting up the most opportunity in a very long time. So if you're not in this pro class, email me, we can schedule a phone call, we can talk about what exactly it is, what it encompasses, and if it's something that you should be a part of in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Have a fantastic trading week. It is a shortened trading week from Tuesday through Friday. Goodbye.